Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student, where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swiflearn Academic Test Series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all the practice tests are subjective as well as objective for your school examination. So students, those are new book of freestyle class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update. I'm Shashank Sir, and today I'll be teaching you the topic solids. So yes, today's learning objective will be we are going to introduce different solid figures. We are going to learn about the surface area of solid figures and also volume of few solid figures. Yes. So, can you tell me the names of this figure and what common is in this? Okay, the first one is the tent. It looks like a triangle. The second one is the TV. Its screen looks like a rectangle. And the third one is a chips box, which looks like a cylinder. Yes, so this looks like a triangle, rectangle, and a cylinder. Yes. If you see the top view, it is a circle. Now, what are plane figures? Any shape that can be drawn in plane are called as plane figures. The shapes are either two-dimensional or three-dimensional geometrical shapes. Okay, so do you have any idea about two-dimensional and three-dimensional figures? Okay, so a figure that has length, breadth as two dimensions, these are known as 2D figures. Okay, example triangle, square, rectangle, circle. These are all 2D figures. Okay, rectangle, circle, pentagon, triangle, quadrilateral, square. Okay, three-dimensional figures are the object which has length, breadth as well as height as three dimensions. Are three-dimensional figures. Examples are cylinder, cube, cuboid. Okay, these are all 3D figures. Few other examples are cube. Okay, the bricks which are cuboid, the battery cells which looks like cylinder, pyramids, and cones. So difference between 2D figure and 3D figure. Okay, 2D refers to two-dimensional, 3D refers to three-dimensional. Okay, 2D shapes is a figure that has only length and breadth as the dimension. 3D figures have length, breadth, and height as three dimensions. The examples which we already discussed: circles, triangle, square, and 3D examples are cylinder, pyramid, cube, prism, etc. Solids have properties such as, okay, so define three-dimensional objects. There are two aspects which are surface area and volume. Okay, so what is the surface area? Surface area is identified as the total area of the surface of three-dimensional object. Surface area is measured in terms of square units. The three different classifications of surface areas are curved surface area, lateral surface area, and total surface area. Yes, curved surface area, it is the area of all the curved region. Lateral surface area, it is the area of all the curved region, and flat surfaces existing at the bases. And total surface area, okay, so the area of the surface including the and the curved surface, you get total surface area. Okay, so yes. Now, the next concept is volume. What is volume? Volume of an object is the amount of space occupied by object which is three-dimensional in shape. It is usually measured in terms of cubic units. In other words, the volume of any object or a container is the capacity of the container to hold the amount of fluid such as liquid or a gas. Now, what is volume? कैसे समझाना है? If you want to learn this, okay? So if you open the lid of this box and you pour the water, whatever the volume of the water can be filled, that is the volume of this cuboid. Okay, so the volume can be measured in liters also. We will learn about the conversion. So liters to centimeter cube. Okay, so this is cuboid. Cuboid means two dimensions are same. The third dimension is not similar. Okay, and cube is all the dimension, length, breadth, and height are same. A cuboid is a three-dimensional representation of a rectangle. Cuboid is a polyhedron having 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. The faces of cuboid are parallel and equal in dimensions. Okay, so see this. There are 12 edges, AB, BC, CD, and DA. Similarly, 4 at the bottom and vertical 4, AE, BF, CG, TH. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. Okay, and it has 6 faces. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 curved faces and one at the top, one at the bottom, which is lateral. So total it has 6 faces and 8 vertices. Okay, so each alphabet represents each vertices. A, B, C, D is one vertex, 4 vertices. E, F, G, H is 4 more. So total 8. Surface area of a cuboid. If you open the cuboid, see this is a cuboid. If you open this, you will get a shape like this. Okay, so yes, there are 6 faces. Okay, add all the areas of the 6 face, you will get total surface area. Add only the curved surface, you get the curved surface area. When you sum up all the areas, which is 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, you get the surface area of the cuboid or total surface area of the cuboid. Lateral surface area, the sum of surface areas of all the sides except top and bottom face of the solid is defined as the lateral surface area or curved surface area. Yes, so curved surface area is 2 times height into length plus breadth. Yes, so except top and the bottom face. Okay, you should leave the top and the bottom face. You have lateral surface area. Okay, so in objects which have sharp edges, the term used is lateral surface area. In the curved objects such as cylinder, we use the term called curved surface area. Yes, so lateral surface area of the cuboid is area of A DHE plus ABEF okay, and BCGF and DCGH. Okay, forget about the top and the bottom. That whatever area is there, that is the lateral surface area. Now volume of the cuboid is equal to product of area of one of the surface, say area of the base, which is length into breadth, and into the height. So the volume of cuboid is given by length times breadth into the height. Area of the base, which is length times breadth into height. Now let's take an example. If the length and breadth and height of the cuboid are this, find the lateral surface area. Okay, now see this. Okay, so let me draw the base first. Okay, this is the length, which is 5 centimeter. This is the breadth, which is 3 centimeter, and height is 4 centimeter. Yes, I've drawn a rough diagram. Okay, now 5 threes are 15. Okay, 15 and 15 we should not multiply. So find the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is equal to, okay, now let's see this. Lateral surface area is given by 2 times height into length plus breadth. Okay, so actually what they mean is 5 into 4, which is 20. 20 plus 20 is 2 times 20. Okay, and 3 into 4, that also 2 times. So 2h is common. Okay, so we have 2 times h, which is 4 into length plus breadth. Okay, 8 into 8 is 64 centimeter square. Area units are centimeter square, square units, and volume units are meter square. Now define cube. What is a cube? Cube is a 3D representation of square and has all equal sides. Okay, it has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges, same as that. All the faces of the cube are in square shape and have equal dimension. A cube have 3 faces, 3 edges of equal length. It has square shaped faces. The angle of cuboid in a plane are at right angles. Each face of cuboid meets 4 other faces. Yes, that is true. Each vertices of a cube meet 3 faces and 3 edges. The opposite edge of a cube are parallel to each other. These are the properties of a cube. The surface of area of the cube of 6 squares that it covers. Since all the alls are same, since all the faces are same, we can multiply one of them by 6. So area of one face is a square into 6 is 6a square. So total surface area of a cube is 6a square. If you want lateral surface area, forget the top and the bottom area. So we have 4a square. If a is the dimensions of each side, so it is 4a square. If s is the dimension, it is 4s square. All the sides in a cube are equal, so the volume of a cube is base area into the height, okay, or into the side. So base area is s square and height is s, so s cube. If a is the side, it is a cube. Okay, yes, different notations. Okay, so find the area of a cube having its side equal to 8 centimeter in length. Okay, surface area means total surface area. Okay, they will mention lateral surface area, you should find lateral surface area. If they only mention surface area, you need to assume it is total surface area. Total surface area is given by 6a square, each side is 8. So 8 8s are 64, 64 6 are 6 6 are 36, 6 4s are 24, and then we get 384 centimeter square. This is the total surface area. Yes. Okay. Now, a cube of a metal of 5 centimeter edge. Okay. So there is a cube of 5 centimeters edge. Okay. Is melted and casted into a cuboid. Okay. Whose dimensions are base is whose base is 2.5 into 0.5. Okay, 2.5 into 0.5. This is a small one. Okay, 0.5. Okay, yes. Find the height of the cuboid. Okay, so let me redraw it according to the given question. So length is this much, base is only this much. Okay, so yes. Now this is 0.5, 2.5, this is 0.5. H is no. Find the height of the cuboid. Also find the surface areas of cube and cuboid. Okay, see this guys now. Okay, so first let us find the surface area of the cube. Surface area of the cube is given by, okay, surface area means total surface area is given by 6a square. So 6 into 5 square, 5 5 are 25, 25 6 are 25 का टेबल मुझे आता है. So 25 4 are 100, 25 6 are 150. 150 square centimeter is the total surface area of the cube. Okay, now what about the volume? Volume of the cube is given by length into breadth into height, which is 125 centimeter cube. Okay, now the same volume is melted and casted into a cuboid. Okay, so volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cube. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, which is 2.5 into 0.5 into h is equal to 125. Okay, so equate for h. So h is equal to 125 divided by 2.5 into 0.5. Okay, now 125 into 100 divided by 25 into 5. ये हमने डेसिमल हटा दिया, ऊपर 100 लिख दिया. Yes, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25. So h is equal to 100 centimeter. This is the height of the cuboid. Now find out the surface area, total surface area of the cuboid. How to find the total surface area of the cuboid? So total surface area of the cuboid is given by 2 times, okay, length into breadth into height plus height into length into breadth into height into length. Okay, so length into breadth, okay, 2.5 into 0.5 plus breadth into height, 0.5 into 100 plus 100 into 2.5. Yes, let's find this out. So 2.5 into 0.5, 25 fives are 125, decimals after two numbers, so it is 1.25. 0.5 into 100 is 50, and 2.5 into 100 is 250. Okay, yes, add them all. How much do you get? You get 0.2510301.25. Okay, so 25 and 250. Yes, so 0.5 into 100 is 5 and 50. Okay, yes, so these are the surface areas. H is 100, surface area is 150, इसका 60. Okay, so we had got 301.25. Now multiply that by 2. Okay, this part was left. So multiplied by 2, we get 602.5 square centimeters. Okay, these are the total surface area of a cuboid. Okay, now let's try this question. A rectangular field is 112 meter long and 62 meter broad. Okay, so length is equal to 112 meters, breadth is equal to 62 meters. A cubical tank of edge, okay, 6 meters is dug at each of the four corners of the field, and the earth so removed is evenly spread on the remaining field. Find the level in rise. Okay, yes, so see this, how this problem is. Okay, so there is a green field. Okay, let's not a green field, okay, but let us take it as a green. Okay, so yes, there is a green field, okay, of length this much and breadth this much. Okay, add the cubical tank of edge, okay, cuboid, okay, all the lengths breadth heights are same, which is equal to 6 meter. Okay, 6 meter is dug inside length breadth height. Okay, so I'm going to draw hmm, 4 holes. Okay, so all of them are same. Okay, they are dug in the four corners of the field. Okay, and whatever mud is coming is evenly distributed on the field. Okay, find the rise in level. Okay, how to do this? Yes, so volume of the field dug or volume of the earth dug, find out that first. So volume of the earth dug is, okay, volume of single this tank dug is length into breadth into height. Now, like this, four of them are dug, so 4 into 6 into 6 into 6. Okay, 6 into 6 into 6 is 216 into 4. 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, 4 six are 24. So it is 864 meter cube. Okay, now this level is spread evenly, okay, across this portion. So find the rise in level. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, let's see this. Okay, now, okay, this is the volume dug. Now we need to equally spread this. So it's dug at four corners of the field and earth is so moved it is evenly spread in the remaining field. Find the level rise. Okay, so the level rise will be like this. Okay, so area of the base into height. Okay, so it will be a plus symbol like this if you are assuming. Okay, so area of the base into height. What is the area of this cross field? Okay, so the length is 112. Okay, and this is 6 meter. Okay, so this is also 6 meter, 6 meter. Okay, so this area is, okay, just a minute guys. Okay, this rectangular area is, okay, 62. The total is 112. 112 minus 6 minus 6, okay, is 100. So this length is 100. Okay, total length is 62. 62 minus 12, so this length is 50. So 50 into 112. Okay, or let us do the 100. 100 into 50, 100 into 62. Okay, this portion is 100 into 62. Okay, now this portion is 50 into 6 plus 50 into 6, which is 50 into 12, means 2 times 50 into 6 is 50 into 12. Add this area, the base area, how much is that? So 100 into 6 is 6,000. Okay, 12 fives are 60. 60 into 100 is 600. So it is 6,600. Okay, so meter square. Now that into the height, okay, is equal to 864. Now divide this 864 by 6,000, we'll get the answer in 0.00 something. So that is the rise of level, that is the height. This is how you do this. Okay, so yes, this is a fact, you can read this. Okay, so yes, so what did we learn today? So we learned introduction to solid figures, we learned about the surface areas of solids and volume of some solid figures, mostly cube and cuboid. Okay, so let us solve few extra time questions. Each face of a cube has a perimeter, okay, equal to 32. So the perimeter of each face is 32. So divide by 4, it is a square. So 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. Each side is 8. Length, breadth, height is 8. Find the surface area and its volume. Surface area of a cube is given by 6a square, 8 8 is 64. So 6 into 64, which is 384 square centimeter, and volume is length into breadth into height, which is 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8 is 64. 64 into 8. 8 4s are 32. I think so it is 512 because 8 cube is 512. Yes, 512 centimeter cube is the answer for the first one. What about the second one now? Read the question. When the length of each side of a cube is increased by 3, okay, and comma, its volume is increased by this much. Find its side. How much will its volume decrease if the length of each side is reduced by 20%? Okay, so this is a very interesting question. So the length of each side of a cube, okay, all the sides in a cube are equal. Okay, so let x be each equal to each side. Okay, so if the length of each side of a cube, okay, so length, only the length is increased, okay, its volume is increased by this much. When the length of each side, okay, each side means all the sides, okay, not only the length, each side is increased by 3 centimeter. Instead of, see, the volume before is x cube. After increasing the side by x plus 3, the volume becomes x plus 3 whole cube. Now this volume, the new volume, increases by this. So old volume x cube plus 2457 is equal to x plus 3 whole cube. Find its each side. Now equate this cubic equation. I don't know whether this difficulty questions are there for you, but this is how it is done, and let us solve them. So x cube is equal to x cube plus 2457 is equal to a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b. Okay, 3 into 3 is 9 plus 3ab square. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 x plus b cube. Okay, this is equal to this. Cancel this out. Okay, so divide the entire expression by 9. Okay, we have x square plus 23, 9 3s are 27. So 3x plus 3 equals to 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Okay, so 9 sevens are 63. 9 threes are 27. If I take this side, it becomes x square plus 3x. Okay, so 273 minus 3 is 270 is equal to 0. Now solve this quadratic equation, get the values of x. We'll get one negative value, we'll get one positive value. Okay, forget the negative value, choose the positive value because length cannot be negative. So x square plus 3x minus 270. The product should be 270, negative 270, and the sum should be 3. Okay, so split that. 1 into 270. Okay, 270 is a long way to go. So I think so 10 into 27. Okay, so minus 10 plus 27 is 17. Okay, so next number is okay, let us or you can use minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so using that, okay, let me check this quickly using this formula, or whether do we have, yes, so we have 15 into 18. 15 into 18. So minus 15 into plus 18. 15 into 18 is 270. So split this x square, okay, plus 18x minus 15x minus 270 is equal to 0. So take x common, x plus 18 minus 15, x plus 18 is equal to 0. So we have x plus 18 into x minus 15 is equal to 0. What does this imply? The side is equal to minus 18 or side is equal to 15. Neglect the negative value. We have x is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay. Now, if this, how much will the volume decrease if the length of each side is reduced by 20%? Okay. Reduce this. So, 10% is 1.5. 20% is 3. Reduce this by 3. We have 12. Okay, so 12 12s are 144. 144 into 12, how much is that? Okay, so the exact value, present volume is 15 15s are 225. 225 into 15, 15 5s are 75. 15 2s are 30. 37. 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. 3375 is the present value. If we take side as 12, 12 12s are 144. 144 into 12, 12 4s are 48. 12 4s are 48. 52. 12 ones are 12 plus 5 is 17. Is it right? Yes. Let me check. 15 into 15 into 15 is 3375. 12 into 12 into 12 is 1728. See, now find the how much its volume has decreased. Okay. Previous value minus this divided by how much the value, how much volume, how much will its volume decrease? Okay, so this minus this will give you decrease in the volume. That's all. Okay, they have not asked you the percentage decrease of the volume, so subtract those two things, you will get the answer. Yes, so this also. Okay, the cost of preparing the four walls of a room at 75 paisa per square meter is rupees this much. The height of the room is this much. Find the length and the breadth of the room if they are in the ratio of 5 is to 3. Okay, so yes, so what you need to do, the cost of papering the four walls of a room at 75 paisa per square meter, okay, is meter rupees 340. Okay, something is missing here. Okay, the height of the room is 5 meters. Okay, so they have given the cost. Okay, so they have given the total cost of like papering the four walls. Okay, so the area is 2HL plus B. This is the lateral surface area. Okay, so the area, okay, so 75 paisa per square meter into 0.75, okay, will give you 240. Okay, the length and breadth are in the ratio of 5 is to 3. So ये 5x लेना है, ये 3x लेना है. Okay, so 2 times height is 5 meters into 8x into 0.75 is equal to 240. Now find the value of x. Okay, so x is equal to 240 divided by 2 into 5, okay, into 8 into 0.75. Okay, so I'll write it as 75. At the top I'll write it by 100. Now simplify this, get the value of x. Now substitute the value of x back, you will get the answer. Okay, so yes, how much is x is equal to, so into 75, yes, 25 threes are 25, 75, 25 fours are 100. Okay, so 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 5 ones are 5. Okay, so 24 into 10 लिखते हैं 244. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So 24 by 2, x is equal to 12. Now the height and length are 5x and 3x. So x is equal to 12. So 12 5 are 60, 12 3 are 36. So the height, length and breadth are this much. Okay, so yes, that's all for today. Students, those who are new, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I am Shashank Sir, signing off. Bye bye. Have a nice day, everyone.